You're at the doctor. You need to explain how you feel. In English. Most people don't know where to start. Where does it hurt? Do you have any allergies? Real questions. Real answers. I have a sore throat. I've been feeling this way for 3 days. I'd like to make an appointment. The doctor's office in English. From booking the appointment to leaving with a prescription. I'm Mark, and this is English with Mark. If this is your first time, welcome. Let's start. The doctor's office in English, one of the most important places to speak well. Your health depends on it. Today we practice every part of it. Booking, describing symptoms, asking questions, the pharmacy. I say it, you repeat it. Every line. Let's go. Section 1. Booking an appointment. I'd like to make an appointment. I'd like to make an appointment. I need to see a doctor. I need to see a doctor. It's not an emergency. It's not an emergency. It is an emergency. It is an emergency. I am a new patient. I am a new patient. I'm an existing patient. I'm an existing patient. Do you have anything today? Do you have anything today? The earliest appointment, please. The earliest appointment, please. Can I see Dr. Smith, please? Can I see Dr. Smith, please? I need to cancel my appointment. I need to cancel my appointment. I need to reschedule, please. I need to reschedule, please. I have an appointment at 2. I have an appointment at 2. I'm here for a checkup. I'm here for a checkup. I need a referral. I need a referral. I don't have insurance. I don't have insurance. I have travel insurance. I have travel insurance. How long is the wait? How long is the wait? Good. Now let's describe how you feel. Section 2. Describing your symptoms, basic sentences. I have high blood pressure. I have high blood pressure. I have diabetes. I have diabetes. I have asthma. I have asthma. I have a skin infection. I have a skin infection. I've lost my appetite. I've lost my appetite. I've been vomiting. I've been vomiting. I have chest tightness. I have chest tightness. I feel short of breath. I feel short of breath. I don't feel well. I don't feel well. I feel sick. I feel sick. I have a headache. I have a headache. I have a sore throat. I have a sore throat. I have a fever. I have a fever. I have a cough. I have a cough. I have a cold. I have a cold. I have a stomach ache. I have a stomach ache. I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy. I feel nauseous. I feel nauseous. I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted. I can't sleep. I can't sleep. Section 3. Where it hurts. My ear hurts. My ear hurts. My throat is swollen. My throat is swollen. My eyes are red. My eyes are red. My skin is itchy. My skin is itchy. I have a rash. I have a rash. I'm having trouble breathing. I'm having trouble breathing. It hurts here. It hurts here. My back hurts. My back hurts. My chest hurts. My chest hurts. My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts. My knee hurts. My knee hurts. My shoulder hurts. My shoulder hurts. It's a sharp pain. It's a sharp pain. It's a dull ache. It's a dull ache. The pain comes and goes. The pain comes and goes. It's constant. It's constant. It gets worse at night. It gets worse at night. It started 2 days ago. It started 2 days ago. Section 4. Doctor's questions. Repeat both sides. What brings you in today? What brings you in today? I've had a headache for 3 days. I've had a headache for 3 days. How long have you had this? How long have you had this? About a week now. About a week now. Does it hurt when I press here? Does it hurt when I press here? Yes, right there. Yes, right there. On a scale of 1 to 10? On a scale of 1 to 10? About a 7. About a 7. Do you have any allergies? Do you have any allergies? I'm allergic to penicillin. I'm allergic to penicillin. No known allergies. No known allergies. Are you on any medication? Are you on any medication? Just vitamins. Just vitamins. Have you had this before? Have you had this before? Yes, last year. Yes, last year. Section 5. Asking the doctor questions. What's your diagnosis? What's your diagnosis? Is this contagious? Is this contagious? Can I take this with other medicine? Can I take this with other medicine? Are there any side effects? Are there any side effects? Is there a natural alternative? Is there a natural alternative? Can I drink alcohol with this? Can I drink alcohol with this? What do I have? What do I have? Is it serious? Is it serious? Do I need tests? Do I need tests? Do I need an X-ray? Do I need an X-ray? Do I need surgery? Do I need surgery? Do I need to rest? Do I need to rest? Can I go to work? Can I go to work? How long will it take to heal? How long will it take to heal? Should I come back? Should I come back? When should I come back? When should I come back? Is there anything I should avoid? Is there anything I should avoid? What should I eat? What should I eat? Section 6. The prescription and pharmacy. Do I need a prescription? Do I need a prescription? Is there an over-the-counter option? Is there an over-the-counter option? How many pills per day? How many pills per day? For how many days? For how many days? Do I need to refrigerate this? Do I need to refrigerate this? Here is your prescription. Here is your prescription. Take this twice a day. Take this twice a day. Take it with food. Take it with food. Don't take it on an empty stomach. Don't take it on an empty stomach. Finish the full course. Finish the full course. I need to fill this prescription. I need to fill this prescription. Do you have this in stock? Do you have this in stock? How many times a day? How many times a day? Can I get a generic version? Can I get a generic version? How much does it cost? How much does it cost? I've been stressed lately. I've been stressed lately. I haven't been eating well. I haven't been eating well. I've been sleeping too much. I've been sleeping too much. I haven't been sleeping at all. I haven't been sleeping at all. I feel better than last week. I feel better than last week. I still don't feel 100%. I still don't feel 100%. Last section. Real things people say at the doctor. I Googled it. I know I shouldn't have. I Googled it. I know I shouldn't have. I've been ignoring it for months. I've been ignoring it for months. My family made me come. My family made me come. I have been feeling this way for a week. I have been feeling this way for a week. It started suddenly. No warning. It started suddenly. No warning. I thought it would go away. I thought it would go away. The pain is getting worse. The pain is getting worse. I've tried painkillers. Didn't help. I've tried painkillers. Didn't help. I'm worried it might be serious. I'm worried it might be serious. Can you write me a sick note? Can you write me a sick note? That's the doctor's office in English. Booking, symptoms, questions, the pharmacy. Knowing these sentences could really matter one day. I'm Mark. See you in the next episode.